Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we are going to cover some of the questions related to the ratios, and I will tell you the basic funda about the ratio. The ratio is basically known as the proportion. So first thing, just keep this thing in mind: proportion. And what happens is that, let's say there is a and something is associated with him, and that thing may be in the positive direction or maybe in the negative direction, that is maybe proportionate with the, let's say, with b. So for example, let's say here a is 4. So if the proportionate is in the positive direction, it may go to 8. So what is my proportion, or I will say that the ratio between a and b means 4/8. It will be always 1/2. Means whatever the things been done by a, the twice of that thing will be done by b. So this is what the proportion is. So this is very basic. Only from these things we are going to do all the ratio proportion questions. So you need not to recite or do anything, just understand what is the concept of the ratio. The ratio is that the proportion of the things which is been associated with the other variable or the other person or anything. Okay, so firstly we quickly want to solve the question. So two friends works in the same company and the ratio of their salary is 3/5. So can I say friend 1 is as F1 and friend 2 is at F2? What is their proportion? Is given 3/5. No issue. The first friend gets promoted after a year and his salary is increased by 1/3 of the salary. Okay, so let's say I don't know what is their actual salary was. So it may be 30,000. So the salary of friend would be 50,000. It may be 5 lakh or 30 lakh. So what are these zero or whatever these multiples is known as the proportion. So I am going to write in another way. You can write it in another way: friend 1, friend 2. Can I write it like so? Okay, can I write like x over here, x over here, x will be get cancelled out. So what proportion I will get? 3/5. So can I write friend 1 is having salary of 3x, so friend 2 is having the salary of 5x? No issue. So and now we going to read the question, the second part of the question. First friend gets promoted after a year. So what happens? This is what the first part is. What happens after a year is he gets the first friend gets promoted and his salary is increased by the 1/3 of the salary of his friend. So what is the salary of his friend? 5. So if I say increase by 5/3 of the salary of his friend, correct? Because he's saying that it is increased by 1/3 of the salary. So salary is 5, so 1/3 is 5/3, so it is increased by 5/3, and the salary of friend 2 is remain as same because nothing isn't told in the question. So can I say 3 9 5 14x by 3 into 5x? Now what is saying? What is the ratio of their current salary? So this is after 1 year, means the current salary would be the salary of friend 1 divided by friend 2. So what is the salary of friend 1 is 14x by 3 divided by 5x. X got cancelled out, so 3 will come down. So it will be 14/50. Very simple. This is the answer. So this is only the basic funda. We should know that what is the proportion value. So from this we are going to solve this problem. Let's cover another problem. Okay, so this is also a ratio problem. Amit got thrice as many marks in math as in English. So let's say there is a subject as math and there is a subject as English. So what is saying? Amit got thrice as many marks in math as in English. So let's say he got in English X marks, so he got in math is thrice of the English marks. Okay, now what is the second part of the question is the proportion of the marks in math and history is 4/3. So let's take another subject, let's history. So what they are saying, the proportion of math and history is 4/3. So math and history, the proportion is 4/3. Okay, no issue. I don't know the proportion of history, but I know the proportion of math and I know their relationship. So can I say 3x by h is equal to 4/3? From over here I can find out the value of h. What is the proportion in terms of h? In terms of x. So 3 is 9x by 4. Can I write it 9x by 4? Now just keep this thing very clear, that whatever the proportion value you are taking, it should be in the same proportion. So x is the proportion x, 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 x. It should not be like somewhere you are given x and somewhere else you are given y, then it would be wrong. Okay, now we will come over here. So what is the third part is saying, if their total marks in math, English and history are 250, what his marks in English? Means we need to find the value of x. So simply what they are saying, that we need to add up 3x plus x plus 9x plus 4 equal to 250. Okay, now can we say this is a 4x plus 9x by 4 is equal to 250? Okay, so what would be the value for 460? 25x by 4 is equal to 250, and it got cancelled. Tan x is equal to 40. If x is equal to 40 means the marks in English is equal to 40, and what we need to find? Okay, marks in English. So 40 is our answer. Okay, so this is very simple. So friends, these are the very basics about the ratio. We need not to do anything, just try to find out the proportion value considering the one with other. That's the basic concept. I hope that from this video I would be able to give you some knowledge about the ratio. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope so that I will meet you in the next video with more content. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.